It is my great pleasure to welcome to Nasdaq the CEO of KraneShares, Jonathan Crane, as well as the rest of the KraneShares team, Aetna Research, and all of the distinguished guests today to ring the Nasdaq opening bell.
KraneShares has been at the forefront of delivering innovative first-to-market ETF solutions to investors. Our mission has always been to provide access to compelling investment opportunities in emerging markets and disruptive technologies. We want to thank our partner, Aetna Capital Management, Max Chen and Solomon Beer, with all of their insight and expertise in AI.
We are still in the phase of building the infrastructure for AI and hardware of AI, and then we'll see more and more applications adopting AI. So that kind of involvement is also reflected in our AGIX portfolio construction.
The AI opportunities we see are multifaceted. We want to include companies that are traditional companies that are able to integrate AI as a feature and use their distribution channel, as well as new companies that are AI native that are just trying to completely disrupt, and that's how we balance the portfolio.
We believe AGIX is a significant milestone in our efforts to bring cutting-edge artificial intelligence and technology exposure to investors.
Our big value add of Perplexity is we don't trade on your data, and we ensure that our partners like OpenAI, Anthropic, they don't use your data as well.
So the promise of AI in the enterprise, at least right now, is a lot of process efficiency. If you can build a solution based on infrastructure and API calls as opposed to applications, you have the best shot of achieving ROI.
The single biggest misconception I've seen by far is that AI is magic and that it works right out of the box. When in reality, it's really something you need to put in a good amount of investment to get off the ground.
I think when AI came out, people were like, oh, Duolingo's going to be killed as a business because now everybody's going to learn from AI. And it just turns out that's not true at all. And in fact, it's the opposite, that AI actually enables us to learn much better and enables us to make our product evolve much faster.
We're at an inflection point where companies are exploring AI to increase efficiencies and to find ways to innovate.
We invite all of you to join us on this journey as we unlock the immense potential of artificial intelligence for investors around the world. Thank you all for being here today. We really appreciate it.